Hello, my friends. It is Fold It Club time. And you know what? Can I just tell you, this one is absolutely, positively adorbs. I've never said adorbs before in my life. It is adorable though. Trust me. Are you ready? I'm so excited because it's so cute. This is it. It is called the Overalls Fold It set. And let me just tell you, I jam-packed this one for you. Are you ready? I'm going to turn this over so you can see all of the dies that are coming in the set. So you are getting pockets that are stitched, pockets that are not stitched, big pockets, little pockets. You're getting cute little buttons if you want to add little buttons. You're getting these funny little things. They look like almost teardrops. They are pockets, so it looks like you're putting pockets on the side if you want to. So many different options. You're even getting a stitched heart and a regular heart. So if you want to add that to your overalls as well, so much fun. Layering dies galore. Let me just tell you, layering die here, layering die here. Can you make this a shaker? Absolutely. Now, I have lots of fun samples to share with you because as I say every single time, my design team is amazing. But first, I want to show you also the stencils that you're going to get in this kit. Now, of course, my club members know you get a handy dandy postcard that shows lots of ideas. But don't forget, my friends, lots more ideas on our website. So make sure you go to our website gallery as well. Now, some of you are looking at this going, oh my gosh, this overalls are adorable. I want those. I'm going to go to the website and order them right now. You can't order these. You cannot buy these. The only way to get this set and the two stencils I'm going to show you, the only way to get them is if you're in the Fold It Club. Yeah, that's the only way. You cannot buy this. This is not on the website. You can only get this by being in the club. Now, the good news is you can join right now. And if you join in this month, you will get this set. Okay, so that's the deal. Now, let's look at those fun stencils. Now, first of all, it's this adorable stitched button pattern, which I'm madly in love with. I can't wait to keep using it because, you know, I design these things and then I have to wait 6 months before I get to really play with them. And so now I finally get to play with them because now you'll get to see it. So now I get to play. I love it. It is so much fun. And look how I did it in rainbow color. I love that. But also you are getting a stencil that looks like this. Now you're saying, what are all those pieces? Well, first of all, you're getting a stencil to stitch the entire overall set. You're getting the pocket stitch, you're getting a regular pocket to go underneath, you're getting the same thing for the hearts. Now these long things right here, those are little waistbands for your overalls. If you want your overalls to have a little waistband, you can make it have a little waistband as well. I tried to think of everything, you guys. In fact, even that waistband is a die as well. So I tried to think about girl overalls, boy overalls, any everyday but overalls, and that's how I came up with these. So yes, club members, you're getting the whole die set, which I jam-packed, by the way. You're getting the overall stencil and the button stencil, and of course your handy dandy postcard to give you ideas. And of course, club members, you know you get the 15% discount on the website, no exclusions, everything included in that 15% discount. You're getting your club points and you're getting freebies every once in a while. Last month for this club, we sent out a freebie. I hope you didn't miss it. Now, let's look at our samples. Okay, speaking of pink, hello, does it get cuter than this? Look at how adorable that is. I absolutely love pink. You all know I love pink, but look how cute. Now, let's look at this one. So this, you can make it a shaped card if you want to. Oh, look, and we even have our buttons on the inside, the stitched buttons in the inside stencil. Love that. So there's that one. Or you could put it on, dun, 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 a card base. So it can be a shaped card or on a card base or on a scrapbook page as well, which is even cuter. Look how cute that is. Here's one, oh, with all that awesome stitching with that stencil. You can see all those extra add-ons when you do the stencil for that stitching. It just makes it pop even more, which is so cute. Love that. Hugs, love it. Here's another cute one, overalls. Oh, I love, look, denim. Isn't that adorable? With the little heart sticking out of that pocket. I love it. Here's another one, just using pattern paper. How easy is that, right? So fun. Now, oh, I have a couple more to show you because these are so awesome. So here's another one, so cute. I love it. Don't you love it? But Michelle also made a stuffy. Now, let me just tell you, these are the rage. I am telling you, using our wool felt, you can make the cutest stuffies. They can be little decorations. They can be added to a gift bag. I'll just be honest with you, my twins love playing with these. They get them out, they play with them, they move them around, they talk to them. Miller's, I'll be honest with you, is the baby bottle Fold It stuffy because he feeds his babies with that baby bottle. But look at how cute this is. I love it. Perfect ornaments for a Christmas tree if you want. Now, overalls, right? Overalls, adorable, right? But what if you combine them with our t-shirt Fold It? A lot of you guys that have been around for a while, you lifers, have the t-shirt Fold It already, but there is a t-shirt Fold It on our website. Add the t-shirt. Is that just the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? I know, it's like double duty, right? I know, absolutely love it. The t-shirt fits perfect with the overalls, and you're gonna fall in love with it. Let me just tell you. So, boom, there we go. Overalls Fold It. If you're in the Fold It Club, no sweat, you get to sit back and wait for that post office to deliver it. If you're not in the Fold It Club, sign up ASAP so you don't miss out on this one. I don't want you to miss out on it because once the month that it's released in is over, it's gone. It like disappears into cyberspace or something. I don't know where it goes. Well, I know, but make sure you sign up if you want this. Get it now because chances are if you don't get in on this one, you're going to miss another favorite one that you wanted. And I don't want you to miss out. Club members, you're just styling, right? You're just sitting back going, yep, I know, it's coming. It's on its way. I love it. So thank you so much. If you need more information about our club, make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and just watch the video. That's going to explain all of our clubs, why you want to be in it, who, why, what, where, when, how, all of that kind of stuff. And if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button, or as Ken, my husband, would say, smash that subscribe button, because we want to make sure you know whenever we release a new video or a new product, you'll get a notification from YouTube letting you know. Okay, thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.